Hi, my name is Liv Mumma and I work in Dr. Zhang's physical chemistry lab at James Madison University. When I say the word salt, you probably think of cooking or table salt, but I think of ions. Salts are made up of ions that are either positively or negatively charged and come in millions of different combinations that have varying effects on the molecules around them. For example, the ions inside your body most commonly are electrolytes, and those interact with anything that you ingest, including drugs. So an important question for us to ask is, how do those ions, the electrolytes, interact with drugs that you ingest and change the function of those drugs? Because right now, we aren't exactly sure how the ions are changing and interacting with anything like the drugs that you ingest and medicine you might take every day. And I don't know about you, but if a doctor is giving me a pill, I'd like for them to know what's going to happen along every step. And that's just not the case for the majority of drugs that are on the market right now. So to do this, I'm looking at a historical list or trend of salts called the Hofmeister series and how those ions in those salts interact with a model drug. My model drug is coumarin, which is a base to pharmaceutical molecules such as warfarin, which is a blood thinner, and many other anti-cancer medications. So by changing either the salt that I'm using from the series or the amount of salt or even the temperature, I hope to elucidate how those salts and the ions within them are interacting with drugs and hopefully make a broader conclusion about how the ions in your body are interacting with drugs that you ingest.